You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bug.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Target Designs. If you are new, please go subscribe to the channel. Alright, nothing but good things coming here. It's always fun, a lot of shenanigans, but hey, I just want to point out to y'all today, my cruise control works. Damn! 05 G35 cruise control works. Hey, but today's video, we have a check engine light, so I'm going to the shop, see if you guys can help me figure out what exactly it is. I checked it on Friday or Saturday morning, and it said fuel supply and injector wiring. So we're gonna go dig into that and see what comes up. All right, but let me put this down. All right, kind of an awkward position, but we outside today. Stop that noise. Let me plug this up real quick. Oh, nice. Man. Today we're using a maxi check code reader. This is a professional scan tool. Turn that on. Off. That's why it was so hot. So I was told that for what we pulled Saturday morning, power supply and injector wiring, car possibly needs a tune, but we're gonna see. Exactly, and don't pay no mind to that whole music crap back there. Diagnostics. I'll show you guys what's going on here. Okay, we're gonna go OBD. Trying to get rid of some of that glare. Auto scan. Wow. Damn. Air fuel ratio sensor 1, air fuel ratio sensor 2, PNP switch. Okay, so it's my O2 sensors. I need to jack this up, get on the car, see what they got unplugged. Damn. Alright guys, so had Melvin take the car for a run, see if we can figure out what that noise is, and after running the scan, it is O2 sensors. Them things are $1.35 each. So if I could please plead with y'all, pick up some merch, and I go ahead and get them 2 parts, throw them in the car, and we keep on the road. If not, well, it's not dependent on you guys anyway, it's dependent on me. But so I'm gonna park it for now because it's running super rich. Alright, but that's where we are right now. I'm gonna help him with his Mini Cooper, try and get that shit diagnosed, get it on the road too, and easy Sunday. All right, I'm gonna go pick up a friend, take him for a ride. They've been down there riding it, so take him for a little spin. We'll go from there. While I'm here waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and get these wheels cleaned up. And look at that color. Man, get you a full view. Toyota Celica. Ain't she a beauty? But hey, G35. Alright guys, hey, that was just a little quick short video. I'm back at the house and got into it a little bit coming down Montana. Still having that issue with the oil. Probably can't see it from here, but the dipstick is way down in there. I think I'm having blowby. So that's another problem I have to deal with next year. But other than that, she's running good. O2 sensors are bad. I gotta get those changed out. And that's pretty much it. I wish I had you guys a tripod, but see, I got my hood struts in, and pretty much all I do is just go right there, and it closes. Pretty much closes on its own. So they do work. I'll find the part numbers and get them uploaded for you guys, so you can do your own. If you feel like purchasing some from me, I can go ahead and hook you up also. I got 6 extra brackets left, and I still owe McLovin his. So whenever I get the struts on hand, I'll get them sent out to him. It's been months. My bad, bro. It's life. All right. But anyway, hey, end of this video. Thank you guys so much. Remember, if you're new, please subscribe. See all the changes come to this car and to the 240. It's gonna be a journey. I'm not gonna say it's never ending, but it's always gonna be something new. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay with me today. Love y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. By the way, Happy New Year.